Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Yesware, and this is the platform for best email outreach and scale. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Now this software comes in this extension format. You can see basically it is software for email outreaching and a lot of different type of email campaign systems. And the amazing thing about this is it is utilized with your own email platform, like for example Gmail, which is really popular. So all you need to do is simply click on this install button or get this extension. So I have added that already. Now we can see it is now added onto my email account, and if I can show you much more clearly, so let's just zoom in a bit. Okay, so here on the top you can see we got some amazing features related to our email activities. You can see we have our activity. If I click on that, you will be able to see all of your activity related to your emails, your recent activity note, and you can click on that. All of your open emails are going to be listed in here. So currently I do not receive any new mails since I activated this platform onto my email. And after that you can see open not and reply. This is basically another feature. So after that you can see your prospector, and this is going to be simply analyzing your emails. So now we are on to its official dashboard, and for here you can see we have our personal filters. We have different type of other filters as well, like for example job title. So if you want to basically search out for specifically any person or company, you can do that as well, because on top you have your person filters, at the bottom you can see we have our company filters. So you can apply any of these. After that you can see we have our contacts, and here you can add your contacts. Click on new contact option, enter their detail and email. Eventually they will be listed in here. You have your templates to get started with your campaigns. So templates are a big part of this type of software. So you can click on new template and create template as well and save it for later use. You have your campaigns as I discussed earlier. So to get started with email campaigns, this could be utilized. Now you can see we have various features offered in different plans as well, so make sure to upgrade if you are trying to get started with Yesware. And finally we have our teams to add our team members to work collaboratively on our projects. Now still, if you are unsure about Yesware and its reviews, you can see a lot of good reviews about it. Mail tracking made easy, track your efforts and improve with Yesware. So you can access Yesware using the link in the description below that is going to be providing you extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.